2024 Escalade. Beautiful car. I love this color of this Escalade. It's a cool color. Not your normal red. Oh, burgundy. I love it. It accents the black really nicely. Anyways, let me show you guys. Converter. Wide pipe, flex pipe, 3-inch pipe. Then what we did is a muffler delete, as you guys can see right there. Then it goes up and over. Resonators stayed the same on each side. Tips out the back stayed the same. Also, there and there. So everything else stock other than just a basic muffler delete, okay? Right there. There's a huge muffler that was on it that we cut off right there. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe.
All right, guys, we got a 2021 Cadillac Escalade. I think he said he's got the 6.2 in it. We did a flow effects on it, and that was it. We left the rear resonator still on there, factory converters, etc. So factory converter there, flex pipe right there. And then there's the Flowmaster flow effects we put on right there. 3-inch in, 3-inch out, and 3-inch sleeve right there, connected into the pre-existing tailpipe. And it goes. There's really no space under these new Escalades, but it goes up over there, wise somewhere up there, and then comes out into a resonator there and a resonator there with the tips built into the bumper right there and right there. There's the factory tips on it. There it is, nice and clean. And this is the old muffler that was on it, single in, single out. Flow effects bit and kept the stock resonators on the rear. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
Here we go, guys. 2024 Escalade 600. 6.2 liter with a muffler delete. Much better. Give it gas. Again. That's not crazy loud, just a nice clean tone. Sound decibels, go ahead. Let's ride at 100, nothing crazy, just clean, deep tone. Go ahead. Perfect. Go ahead and back it out. You guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Back to the action of the Escalade. And here's our phone number too, by the way, guys. Car. Let you guys hear on the inside.
A whole lot deeper. It's clean. Real deep too. 98. Probably get close to it. They'll probably get close to 100 when you're really getting into it. Flow effects in the mid. Nice and deep. What you guys hear on the inside?
Escalade 6.2 liter 600 series. Perfectly done in burgundy on black. Just a sexy car, man. She's a beauty. If this doesn't scream Mafia, I don't know what does. Sweet goat. Perfect. That sounds clean. All it needs is a muffler bleed, guys. Perfect. Still got the resonators on it too.
2021 Cadillac Escalade. Flow FX mid of the stock resonators on the rear.